Simple tricks to maximize every square foot. Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to feel cramped or cluttered. Whether you're in a condo, a cozy historic home, or simply trying to make the most of a compact room, the way you design and arrange your space can make a world of difference. Here are some tried and true strategies to help your small space feel open, airy, and spacious. No renovation required. 1. Use light colors. Lighter tones reflect natural light, making a room feel brighter and more open. Whites, light grays, soft blues, and pale neutrals are all excellent choices for walls, ceilings, and larger pieces of furniture. 2. Embrace multifunctional furniture. Opt for pieces that serve more than one purpose. Think storage ottomans, fold-out desks, or beds with built-in drawers. 3. Maximize natural light. Avoid heavy drapes or dark window treatments. Instead, use sheer curtains or blinds that let light in while maintaining privacy. Natural light instantly opens up any space. 4. Use mirrors strategically. Mirrors reflect light and can visually double the size of your space. Place a large mirror across from a window to bounce light around the room, or use mirrored furniture for subtle enhancement. 5. Declutter and simplify. In smaller spaces, less is more. Keep surfaces clear and store away items that don't need to be on display. A clean, streamlined space naturally feels larger and more serene. 6. Choose furniture with legs. Raised furniture creates a sense of openness by allowing light to travel underneath. Sofas, chairs, and tables with exposed legs feel less bulky than those that sit flat on the floor. 7. Go vertical. Use your wall space. Install floating shelves, tall bookcases, or wall-mounted storage to draw the eye upward and free up floor space. 8. Create zones. Even in a small apartment or studio, defining areas for sleeping, dining, and relaxing can make the space feel more functional and intentional. Use rugs, lighting, or open shelving to subtly divide the space without closing it in. Living in a smaller home, especially in heritage areas or downtown, can be incredibly cozy, stylish, and efficient. With the right design choices, your space can feel anything but small. Need help finding a home that fits your lifestyle? As a local real estate professional, I can help you find the perfect space. Whether it's your first condo, a charming downsizer, or an investment property with great layout potential.